Hey everybody, what's up? This is Kindred. So for today's video, it's just gonna be a quick unboxing of my new gaming mouse, courtesy of my brother and sister-in-law. According to them, this was supposed to be given on December during the holiday season, but here we are. So if you're watching, thank you. Really appreciate it. So let's get into it. So Steelseries Rival 110, 110. I'm not sure how to read it exactly. And features the following: prism lighting, click 30 million click durability, and TrueMove 1 custom optical sensor. So here it also says competitive gaming mouse. I wonder if it will help me become a better survivor in Dead by Daylight. Then here we have the 7200 CPI. We can configure it, I think, in the Steelseries engine software, which can be downloaded from their website. Then here we have the side view of the box, or rather the right side view of the box. Then here we have the left side view of the box. By the way, the photo shown here, according to the details, it shows the actual size of the mouse, so it's really neat if you're just looking into it in stores. And here we have the back of the box. So a little trivia here: esports athletes have won more prize money using Steelseries products than any other brand. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, time to open the actual box. Since I don't have a cutter with me, I'm just gonna open it from below. This is quite a lemma. Oh my god. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so here we have the actual mouse. Also, according to the box, it says universal grip, so it can either be palm grip or claw grip, but I think it will entirely depend on the size of your hand. And as for me, I prefer claw grip, so it will be handled like somewhat like this. We have the left click, as you can hear, the right click, the scroll button. This is probably the DPI change or the CPI changer. Then here we have the side click, the sensor. I believe we also have the manual here. There. We have the manual. Okay, so according to the manual, these are the side buttons. Then the main mouse button, which is the left click and right click. Then the scroll button. Then the CPI button. Then the textured grips. Oh, here, this one. Textured grips. Steelseries Rival 110 mouse. Rival 110 mouse.